You see, you can undo the ego relatively easily once you understand what it is. And you understand what it is when you see how it evolves. You stop identifying with it as me. You stop becoming marginalized, becoming oppositionalized with ego. You begin to see what it is, and once you understand what it is, you can begin to dissolve it. The traditional ways of overcoming the ego, frankly, I wouldn't give you a nickel for them. If they worked, the place would be full of them like the masters, you know what I mean? God said, good. The instructions mankind has been following have not been too fruitful, but we'd see advanced consciousness appearing with commonality. No, it's because the traditional teachings have been directing us to the bottom of the chart of consciousness instead of how you get to the top. It's been positionalizing us in a dualistic opposition of our spiritual self versus our ego. It's our enemy. And once it becomes your enemy, it's got you. Once you make the ego your enemy and sin your enemy, it's got you. It's got you. Like the Komodo dragon, he's got his teeth right in your ankle. And the chances of escaping are slim. That's why we have a Savior. Because left to our own devices, the likelihood of even getting to heaven is slim.